now we've got this out of the way. I can't do any more to this until I start taking the fairing apart. So now we're gonna gently take it apart piece by piece. And here we go. I like power tools, but on a little dainty hardware, I always find it's better just to do it by hand. Less chance of stripping heads, stripping threads, damaging paint. Gonna have to complain to the owner about all the dirt though. That's just unacceptable. So now, we're gonna pop this windshield off. No. I don't know how we're gonna fit 3 2-channel Hog Tunes amps in there, but it's gonna be fun and it's gonna happen. For reassembly, it's a pretty clean wiring system from the factory. You can actually go by a lot of the colors of the wiring, make it faster. I always mark everything, because then I know how long the wires need to be when I map everything out, because I like a really, really clean setup when I put everything back together. Because I don't know exactly how we're gonna fit 3 amps in here. Might be a little bit of preventive maintenance that'll help out in the long run. Might be overkill, who knows? But it's what I like to do. A lot of the big plugs are self-explanatory from Harley because they do a setup like this, where this is the only plug of that nature inside here. So this one will only fit back into this one, so you don't have to worry about it. This is a similar one. Again with this one. And this one, because they're also color-coded, black for one side, white for the other. But then you go to this, so you know it's a headlight, HL. LT for left turn. This is your 12 volt left speaker. This is voltage. And now it's time for the gentle persuasion of wiring. And that, as they say, is that. So now, let's pop this tank off.
Let's take her bra off.
So we all know Motophoto's got his own style, so as a memento for Betsy for the last 100,000 kilometers, introducing the new Dambra.
So yep, we've spent the day taking the bike apart. Parts all over the place, but they are labeled and placed in specific order. And check out Betsy! From full decker to, man, she's naked. Completely naked. Wow. This is great because I've never had a chance to see the whole process, and boy, did I ever learn a lot today about bikes and all the cool things that go into a machine that runs when you want it to run. Wow. Sarge, we spent the day basically, well, you spent the day basically taking her apart.
Betsy getting naked.
Right. So any comments from you? Were there any difficult parts? And
Nope. For a 100,000 kilometer bike, she came apart pretty smooth. No strippage, no snappage. Pretty much as expected, nice and smooth. And really excited for this one.
Hog Tunes, Öhlins. We're gonna do a stage 1 to the bike. Eventually we'll put new pipes on there as well, but for now, not quite yet. But what else are we doing? Anything else?
Custom paint, dude.
Well, of course. We're not gonna say anything about that yet.
Oh, risers, bars.
Yeah.
OGM's got some major cool products.
Yeah.
The whole top end's gonna be new and improved. The Hog Tunes is amazing products. It's gonna be littered all over the bikes. Some custom lower bearings, 14 plus bags, an M8 pizza box, all the cool swag, Saddleman seat, all custom constructed for you know who.
Cause we're gonna change Betsy right up. She's gonna be Elizabeth. No, we can't. Can't do that.
Greasy Lizzie. Rah!